Hello everyone. In this video I am gonna show you how to fix corrupted flash which that is not readable, that is unreadable, which you cannot format, that which you cannot use, that which your Windows cannot format, that one that is completely corrupted. I will show you how to fix that one just in a few minutes. Then watch the video to end completely. Don't skip the video which you don't miss any step. For supporting us, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay friend, let's get started. And first I want to check my USB drive. Okay. Here you can see USB drive is unreadable. I can't open this. It need format. And I can't format it from here. Okay. I open this CMD. I do it run as administrator because I should have full control on it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Here you can see face code is disk port. Disk port. No, it is checking for drive. Okay. It opened this disk. This disk. No, I should choose that flash drive. You should make sure yourself that you choose the target drive. I choose the disk 2. Select disk 2. Okay. Disk 2 is now the selected disk. No, I want to clean it. Taking time a little. Okay, it succeeded. Clean the disk. The next thing, we want to create a new partition primary. Create partition primary. This is creating the specific partition. No, I want to readable format. Okay, format if is equal FAT32 quick. We should do quick format. It will do it very fast. No, it is successful. I want to active this one. Active. This mark is current partition is active. Okay, I also should do this assign. This successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. Okay, it done. No, I want to exit. Okay. Okay. No, I should check it. Now you can see it is readable. It's completely ready. I do rename. I change the name. Okay, I disconnect the flash drive and I put it again. Okay, and then edit. No, it is ready. It's pretty much easy. You can